Yesterday at this time, we were watching showers and storms across the region with some damage. And the big question now, was it a tornado? Was it straight line winds? And to help explain that, we're going to send it over to meteorologist John DePasquale. John?
Yes, thank you very much there, Jim. So everybody's wondering, tornado or straight line winds? It was straight line winds deemed by the National Weather Service in Binghamton. What does that mean? Well, we had rotation within the thunderstorm that was moving on the north side of Syracuse late yesterday afternoon. But what in fact actually happened was colder air aloft within the storm came down toward the surface as an outflow. All right, they always feel that little gust of cool air ahead of a storm. Well, this is extra strong in this case, and those gusty winds coming in aloft from the storm came down to the ground and toppled the trees and caused the damage on the north side of Syracuse from the fairgrounds to Galeville and also Onondaga Lake Park. That was again late yesterday afternoon. So again, straight line winds, not a twister yesterday on the north side of Syracuse. And take a look at the damage reports. You can see them clustered on the north side of Syracuse and also in the northwestern part of Oneida County. There are the reports of multiple trees and wires down in the Syracuse area, particularly in the Galeville area, where we had trees and wires down and even a roof torn off as well. And for more details on some of the damage in Galeville, here's Rob Hackford with that. Rob?